Okay, I just finished waxing everything. And I let it sit for a couple minutes. And what I've done is I went ahead and mixed up all my resin in here. It's equal parts of A and B. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and mixed those up. And I'm just going to pour the first layer down in here, like I said, to put these down on so I get resin down underneath it on the bottom. So I get total coverage all over the bottom of it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this layer in here. And this one really doesn't matter how you pour it in there because it's just going to be, you know, obviously just a cover on the bottom. So it really doesn't matter. You just pour it in there. Spread it out so it's all over the edges there. And it's self-leveling, so it'll figure out where it's got to go itself. Okay. We got the whole bottom coated. And this stuff you want to use every little bit of it you can because, again, I said it is expensive. That's why these tables are a little bit expensive, but they're well worth it. Once you see what's done with them, it's well worth it in the long run. So, gotta make sure I got that all covered there. Okay. Now, I can go along here with a torch, and I'm going to get rid of the bubbles. Okay, that kind of got all the bubbles in there. Still some rising up, but those aren't going to matter because they're going down underneath. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take my pieces of wood, set them down in there. Okay, this way it kind of gets it all covered down underneath there so we don't have to worry about them. So now I'm going to take these. And I got a couple of bars of steel over here. Do those couple of bars of steel on it, and that will keep these from floating up. We actually got some. Where is it at? Okay, it's over here. Excuse my disorganization here this morning. Got some little pucks of pewter here, and that will kind of help hold everything down there. So, okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go back and I'm going to mix up one more batch of this and pour just like another 1/8 of an inch. I'm doing about an 1/8 to 1/4 inch at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up one more batch of this, and I'll come back and I'll pour that one in, and then we'll go from there. All right.